Lantern Electrical has teamed up with Solar Foundations USA to install a high-quality ground mount system that is innovative, adaptable, and is the optimal solution for residential and light commercial solar projects. By custom designing and manufacturing components in-house, Solar Foundations' structure fits and functions together seamlessly and installs with far less time with greater strength. Lantern Electrical can manage and provide the crews to supply a full turnkey installation of your project. Lantern Electrical and the engineering team at Solar Foundations will review system size, needs, and unique site layout to determine the most effective solution. With materials supplied by Solar Foundations USA, allows for mounting panels in 4, 5, or 6 high in landscape orientation and can be adapted to custom configurations. Durable design enables any wind speed and snow load. 0 degree to 40 degree tilt with multiple inter-row spacing options. Compatible with a wide range of modules. Pile verification report available after the installation has been completed. 25-year material guarantee against failure. Once the custom design has been established and approved, Lantern Electrical will send our crews on site with all material for a quick and efficient install. Our crews then use its custom-made equipment to install continuous flight helical piles with heavy wall structural tubing that is hot dip galvanized and manufactured by Solar Foundations USA. Many ground and soil types require other specialty equipment such as an auger, or in some cases, if there is an extreme rock or ledge, Lantern can employ our effective rock drill system. All necessary equipment is standard on all of our installation rigs. These custom ground screws have proven performance for ease and speed of installation with minimal disturbance to site and soil and the ability to validate pile capacity during installation. After we have our pile installation complete and have recorded specific record torque values to ensure proper engineering strength, we review all site elevations with the engineering team at Solar Foundations and begin the assembly process. The system is installed with the highest quality materials, such as high-strength steel, fully galvanized and welded together on site. After this process is complete, the site is immediately ready for PV module installation, trench work, and AC/DC electrical interconnection. Lantern Electrical is your preferred contractor for install because we install ground mounts every day, all year long. Over and over. Rain, snow, ice, heat, ticks, bees, bugs.
Awesome! One down, 15 more to go.
Contact Lantern Electrical today to learn more.